And it's time now for Voices of the Region, when we hear from an area journalist about stories making news. Now this week, our guest is Heidi Holtan, Director of Content and Public Affairs at KAXE Radio in Grand Rapids.
Each week on KAXE, on our morning show, we talk with our early bird fishing guide, Jeff Sundin. He's been seeing ice fishing already on smaller lakes in Itasca County, and he is expecting lots of people to be heading to Red Lake for walleye fishing this weekend. There's a new law that anglers need to keep in mind, though, to combat all the trash that has been left on lakes in previous seasons. The litter and the damage to lakes has been so bad in the past that the Walker International Eelpout Festival was actually canceled in 2020. Jeff Sundin thinks that the new law could be even stronger.
Basically a slap on the wrist, unless you do 3 or 4 different things out there and they start to accumulate. It's a petty misdemeanor now to leave any kind of trash or anything that you bring out on the ice with you, including if it's the entrails from the fish that you catch, or basically, let's just say anything, including if it was inside of your body when you brought it out there.
Itasca County is kind of unique in the state of Minnesota. IMCare is the sole carrier of public health insurance. In September, IMCare announced plans to terminate its in-network contract with Lakeview Behavioral Health by the end of the year. That change could impact about 700 patients that are receiving treatment at Lakeview Behavioral Health. The county says that it is following a transition plan approved by the state and is working with those affected to seek appropriate care elsewhere. But many residents have tried working with county officials only to be told that the matter isn't public information. We talked recently with Simon Gretton. He's a local EMT.
Well, that's been very frustrating with this. That really has. I mean, I've been, naturally you hear about something like this, you reach out to the county commissioners. That's what we do. They're the ones who are accountable for. Unfortunately, their position has been that they can't comment on this. They've cited legal concerns. And that's been, I certainly don't want to accuse anyone of acting in bad faith, and I'm not going to. I'm going to assume they're acting in good faith. But it's really been frustrating to have a conversation about this. I think generally we are considered to be an underserved area generally, and it's not hard to imagine that if this happens, that we'll see increases in homelessness, increases in people using the ER, increases in people calling the ambulance, increases in people calling law enforcement, maybe more suicides, maybe more murders, all the things that we don't want to see.
We just finished a week-long celebration of 40 years of Phenology on KAXE. Phenology is about nature. It's about the noting what's different in nature due to seasons. And we have over 18 classrooms throughout the state of Minnesota that contribute to this program. They wanted John to know how inspired they were by the work that he has done. And in the end, we got inspired by them. Here is a crowdsourced poem that was written by 5th grade students in Northfield.
I never noticed how
fawns jump, fox kits play,
a bald eagle perches,
peak color hits,
a murmuration of birds cover the sky and a flapping of wings.
I'm mesmerized,
excited to watch.
Sometimes the littlest things are best.
Noticing the clouds,
the wildflower in my backyard,
the changing leaves,
the hidden mushroom,
the birds singing their usual song.
My backyard holds generations.
All the little things gather into one big thing, a season. When I was small, I didn't notice.
Now I ask questions. I pay attention.
I look delicately.
I welcome the spring's first heron.
I say goodbye to the fall's last dragonfly.
I have a whole new way to see the world.